for so long, so I do not even remember how to do it. Hi, hello beautiful person. Today I want to do my makeup and just talk with you. I don't have any need to go outside, to go to the street. So this is just a makeup for home, kind of autumn makeup. I'm gonna try to do a makeup in autumn colors. I forgot how to speak English. I didn't speak English since March, I guess. I'm gonna start with showing you what I bought. I bought this eyeliner, and it has a really weird part. I told you I don't remember anything. This thing, this is really weird. And I bought a mascara, just simple mascara. It's not pink, it's black, but yeah. And the lipstick, this color, yeah, it's brown. If you never watch my videos, probably you never watch it. I do not really like use a foundation, and that's the reason why I haven't foundation in my cosmetics bag. Oh my god, I'm so awful in English, sorry. But I'm trying, you know, I'm trying to speak, I'm trying to say the words which I should say. I hope I'm not fine. I'm gonna start with concealer. And I want to talk with you about my life updates. Why not? You know, my channel, my rules, kind of thing. I have a job right now. Congratulations to me. I graduated from college and now I had a job at the hotel, and I'm working as a front desk clerk, portier, or administrator. How you would like to call this job? Not a vacation. No, vacation is a different word. And I think I speak really, what is the opposite word for loud? Really quiet. So I need to talk more loudly, and I'm trying, you know, I'm trying right now, currently. Dun, dun, dun. How do you feel yourself right now while autumn here? Do you like this season? I'm not really, because I feel really weak, and nowadays I feel really weak. I feel like I have no power for anything. I sleep well, I sleep a lot because I'm working right now from 3 p.m. to 12 is it a.m. or what, like 11 p.m. Okay, from 3 p.m. to 11 p.m. and I back to home at 12, probably a.m. I don't know really. And then I'm gonna sleep at 1 a.m. and then I wake up around 12 midday. You know, I sleep well, I sleep fine, but still at the work I feel like I have no power to smile, even to smile, you know, not for working. I'm not telling you about working, but for a smile, and I need to smile, you know. I'm the person who talk with people. I need to smile, I need to be polite, to communicate with these people, with our guests, you know. I'm trying, you know, I'm smiling and so on, but still, I don't feel really well right now, and I think that's because of the weather. It's cloudy, today's a rainy day, so there is no daylight. Everything you see is everything I can get about daylight. Actually, it's look really fine, but still not enough. It's not a sunny day. I went for a shop today, and there was so powerful wind and my umbrella just did from this to this, and then I'm trying to get back in the same position. It will be like this. I'm describing like trash. And then my umbrella hits me to my face, and I'm like, damn, I'm in my glasses, I don't want to break it. So the wind is really powerful, and it was rainy, and I was like, oh, no, I don't want to do anything. How do you use your concealer? Do you use for all face or just under your eyes? Because I use it a lot, as you can see. Okay, I think that's enough. And then I'm gonna do my eyebrows. It's really boring when I'm doing my eyebrows, so you will see just the final result. Okay? I did my eyebrows with these eyeshadows. Okay, and I'm gonna use this gel for eyebrows right now. You may think, oh, why I'm doing a makeup if I'm not a beauty guru, if I don't have a lot of followers who would enjoy watch my beauty videos. You know, sometimes I think the same, except that fact I like to do makeup and I like talk. I don't even know what happened, but everything what I was filming when I did my eyeshadows just deleted, and I'm like, what? Why are you so mean to me? But that's what I have right now. I changed the angle and now I'm gonna do my eyeliner, and still every time I'm doing that, I'm not really good at eyeliner thing. You know, I don't know how people do that so easily, because for me it's really difficult. I knew that there is a bad eyeliner, but I didn't know that such a bad eyeliner. I don't know what to do with it. Okay, I'm really sad. I didn't like the result. What the hell is this? It's gonna look fine, but look at me. I look disgusting. I'm gonna try to do another eye, but I didn't like it. Eyeliner. When I'm trying to draw a line, this thing is erasing itself, whatsoever, you know, and I'm like disappointed. But mascara is really good. I really like this type of mascara, and this thing I like. It is big, fluffy. I like this. Cute. Now I'm gonna use a bronzer. Look like this, like that. See that? I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching it, and I see you in another video. If you would like to stay here, bye bye.